Over the next decades, the country would undergo a breathtaking metamorphosis. Feudal domains were abolished, a modern military was established, and Western-style education was implemented. The capital was moved to Tokyo, formerly Edo, signaling a definitive break with the old order. Japan's transformation was nothing short of miraculous. Within a single generation, the country evolved from an isolated agrarian society to an industrial powerhouse. Factories sprang up where rice paddies once stood, and steamships replaced wooden sailing vessels. As Emperor Meiji donned Western-style military uniforms, symbolizing Japan's new direction, the nation emerged as a force to be reckoned with on the world stage. The Meiji Restoration had set Japan on a path that would lead it to become a major world power, forever altering the balance of power in East Asia and beyond.